Welcome to our channel, where today you'll learn how to check AFL Match Center live scores easily and quickly. Welcome to our channel, where today you'll learn how to check AFL Match Center live scores easily and quickly. If you love Australian Football League and want to stay updated with live scores during the matches, this guide is just for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make sure you never miss a moment of the action. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser or AFL app. You can use any device from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Step 2. Navigate to the official AFL website or launch the AFL app if you have it installed. The AFL Match Center is the hub where live scores, player statistics, and game updates are displayed. Step 3. Look for the Match Center section on the home page or app menu. It's usually prominently displayed and easy to spot. Step 4. Click or tap on Match Center to access the live scores. You will find the current matches listed along with ongoing scores and other relevant information such as quarter details, team stats, and player performances. Step 5. To get more details on a specific match, simply select it from the list. This will open a detailed view showing live commentary, player stats, scoring progress, and sometimes video highlights if available. Step 6. If you want to personalize your experience, sign in or create an AFL account. This allows you to receive notifications for your favorite teams or matches and stay updated with instant score alerts. Step 7. Remember to refresh the page or keep the app updated to ensure you see the latest score updates in real time. Following these steps guarantees you'll always be in the know no matter where you are. Our AFL Match Center Live Scores Guide is designed to keep you connected with every goal, mark, and tackle throughout the game. Don't miss out on any moment with this easy-to-follow method. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful guides and updates.